Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash the stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software. So open up the settings, go into About Phone, and it is really important that when it comes to flashing the stock ROM, we can only flash the same version of the software or every version above. It is impossible to flash older version than the current. In here we have our version under book number. In my case it's A750FNXXU5CUA1. That's the version that I have, so I can flash the same stock ROM or every version higher. Okay, also we can check the software version in recovery mode. Let me show you how. To enter recovery mode, we need to have a micro USB cable that is also connected into our computer. So now connect your phone using the cable, and to enter recovery mode we need to hold the power key and volume up button at the same time. And when we see the Samsung logo, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. Okay. It has appeared, so release the power key, but keep holding volume up. And as you take a look, in here we also have our version. Okay, so once we know it, we can unplug the cable. Now using volume keys, select power off and confirm by clicking the power button. Now, in the meantime, we need to download some things on our computer. First, visit our page, HardReset.Info. The link is right in here. And now click on download. And first type Samsung drivers, click the search button, select these drivers right in here and click on download. Then go back into download section and type Odin. We need to download the latest version 3.14.4. Click and click on download. Okay, then open up a new tab. Type SMA750FN firmware. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. Open it up. Then scroll down, and in the search box we need to type our country or CSC code. I'm about to select Poland. It's right in here, so I don't need to type manually. Now scroll down, and in here we have all versions of the software. As you could remember, my version was CUA1, so I want to have one version above. New stock ROM, scroll down, we have 3 download links, pick the one that you want. And also you need to be aware that if you flash the stock ROM, the phone will perform the factory reset. Our phone will be fully cleaned, just like a brand new device. So if you have some data that you want to keep, you can create a backup before the whole process. And now click on download. Alright, now let's open up the downloads folder, and we have our Samsung drivers, Odin, and our software is being downloaded in the background. And we need to extract those files. So right click, you can use WinRAR and click on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, click on extract all and extract. It will also work. We need to extract Odin, Samsung drivers, and also our ROM, but we'll do it in a second because it's still downloading. Okay, then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and launch the installer. In my case, it says that it's already installed, so I'm not going to repeat the whole process once again, but the installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, then wait until it gets installed. And after the installation, I highly recommend to restart the whole computer so every driver will work properly. Because if you are installing it and you don't restart your PC, there is a huge chance that something may not work. So that is why it's good to restart our computer. Then let's open up the Odin app, open up the folder, double click, click on OK, and we have our program. Also, on our phone we need to turn on the download mode. To do it, again we need to use our micro USB cable. And We need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them, we need to insert the cable to our phone. Of course, the micro USB wire also needs to be connected to our computer. So now, hold both volume keys, insert the cable, and keep holding until you see a menu, just like that. Now click on volume up once, and we are in the download mode. Also in the Odin app, we can see the numbers under ID.com. If you see them, that is really, really good, because it means that our phone sees the Odin app, or actually, I should say the Odin sees our phone, so everything is connected properly. I highly recommend to use the original cable or another good quality cable, because usually the problem is in the cable, because for example it doesn't support transferring the data. Alright, I think that the software has downloaded, yep. Let me only delete my old one. And now we also need to extract it, so right click, WinRAR, and extract to. We have to wait now until it's extracted, so we need to keep waiting. Okay, now click on BL in Odin app, go into downloads, open up the folder with the ROM, and now click on BL file, click on open. Now AP, select the AP file, also click on open. This one is going to load a little bit longer, because that's the biggest file that we have in our folder, so that is why it's taking so long. But don't worry, simply be patient and it will load. Alright, now CP, select the CP file, open, and now CSC, and it is important that you need to select this CSC file, not home CSC, normal CSC. Click on open, wait until it loads. Okay, and now click on start. As you take a look, the whole process has begun right in here in the corner. It's going to take a little bit, so now you have to be patient. Of course, during the whole downloading process, you cannot unplug the cable. Okay, so now we need to keep waiting. I'll see you once it's nearly done. Okay, we're almost done. I should take a look. And when it says pass, it means that everything worked. Now the phone will from the factory reset, and we will have to go through the setup process. Real quick, I'll show that, and we will verify everything in the settings. So, and now you can unplug the cable from the phone, and now we need to keep waiting. So I'll see you in the setup process. Okay, the phone has turned on. We can select our language. I'll stick to English. Also, in the meantime, we can close everything up. Let me also go quickly to the full screen, because we won't be needing our PC anymore. So let's go quickly through the setup process. Select that you agree and tap on next. Let's skip the Wi-Fi, so the setup process will be much faster. But of course, you can connect. It is up to you. I also don't want to copy any of my data. Click on next. More, accept. I'm about to skip the screen lock too. Same thing with Samsung account. Let's click on finish, and now we will verify the version in the settings. So let's open them up, but let's wait until it loads first. Okay, settings, scroll down, about phone, south information, and in here, as you take a look, the version has been successfully updated, and we have a new stock ROM. Everything has been flashed properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.